Nigerian socialite Obi Kubana received 346 cows, 72 goats and 20 rams from his friends for the burial of his late mother. Anyways, guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across this video, me na K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way to stop for this channel, what are you waiting for? Enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications so that when I upload it, you go be amongst the first to be notified. My people, na two matter day. Yes, this comedian B Ben at one that they see for na screen self. So he too don't call show body. Since we sound so tan, it say go RIP. Na the matter to the pop up. But before I want to talk about this big Bernard matter, my people, make we talk about this Obi Kubana matter for mother funeral, my people. So my people, as una know, Obi Kubana na one of those socialites dem wey they get, una know, they get clubs and na so money they enter in the only parade na around people wey get money. As in my people, I see the thing, my body cold. Una sabi say Nollywood actor Kanayo first don come out come talk say all those boyfriends wey dey look for their girlfriends, make una no worry o, say their girlfriends dey Obi Kubana mother place, my people, for take do Obi Kubana mother's funeral, my people. Hey, we see am like joke, but it's no big joke, because the way money they spread, my people. Now to make us the ask say where una dey see this kind money, my people. They spread down like as if na air where we dey breathe. Me don't see am na. I say na I suppose carry and can't talk. And because of all this, a lot of things come dey pop up for social media, my people. Some self come dey talk say say Obi Kubana no receive this gift na because him be good person. No, say na because say him be rich man. Say if poor person take organize him own party, himself no go receive up to 10 kilograms of meat from him friends. And the gift wey they go take give am, my people, na 2,000 notes wey dem go put for brown envelope, take follow plastic spoons at on top, my people. I see the matter, so no, I must come out. One of his friends, yes, my people, well, I see a Kubana chief priest, well, na they see for on screen, my people, him alone he give 46 cows. My people, it's good to be rich. When they see am now, my people, how they just they fight with money, like they fight with money, they throw am outside. All of these things, my people, when I don't see am, so now I don't call a lot of people their attention for social media. Like what did they do? They take oppress the people when no get. People they don't lost their girlfriends. People they search their boyfriends right now. When are the yes, my people? A lot of people say him they receive all of these gifts and attention now because say they won't take enter inside a good book, such that when he go finish all this burial issue, he go come dey look those people with good eyes, as in he go come dey follow them talk with kind sweet mouth, where him go take promote and support them, my people. And no wetin una think about the matter. Me see am I say what is happening? Money is good though. My people, a lot of people don't come out, a lot of issue don't come out. Me self go take read another one self way comedian Funny Bone wey una know am. Yes, he don't come out can't defend this Obi Kubana. He say the question should be how many cows have Obi Kubana given out to people on goodwill prior to this moment. I am sure it's more than 500. I haven't attended or immersed any social functions without Obi Kubana in attendance. I repeat, not one. He comes out for people and supports them too. So a lot of people come they talk say him they receive and because he take get money. Now this comedian too, I just read and so my people in talk say him they receive all of this now because say himself they take support others, my people. He continues say Obi Kubana empowers and doesn't discriminate. He relates with you regardless. He shares a direct one-on-one relationship with almost everybody you have seen on OBA today, my people. Me no know wetin una think. Una dey see am, know, my people. I say at the end, na 436 cows wey him take get for oh my people. The matter sef take dey, e take dey shock me na. My mouth sef take dey do, e get as e do. My people, the mouth sef take dey do me some kind. Haba! My people, anyways, what una think about this matter? Make una write for comment section, make we dive for the next one. So my people, the next one na about this B Bernard. Yes, a comedian too don come out. He talk say say a lot of people don come out come talk say, oh, celebrate me when I'm alive, about this song for Patoranking. Una sabi say before Sound Sultan e take go RIP, he be come out compose this song for his status. Like he say make dem celebrate am now wey him dey alive, make dem no wait when he don go RIP, as in he don lego before they go come dey do all kind thing for front in wife and family. We see the matter say wetin dey happen. That a lot of people don come carry their mouth take put inside. My people, I go leave the video for you, make una lis ten wetin this B Bernard get for talk. But before that, if you dey here and never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please just subscribe and support your girl. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, don't forget to turn on your post notification, so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
The recent trend of Patoranki's song, though it's trending before Patoranki sang it anyway, but now the song is making it trend a lot, of celebrate me when I dey alive and not when I don't live life you do and all that. It's messing people's head up. People are not appreciating the love and support and appreciation that individuals are sending to the families of the dead people. And everybody is not calling it fake love. It is not fake love. You have to understand this very simple thing. Let me give a simple example. That's why I have Tunde's picture here. When I started skits back in December, in February I did an advert with Tunde Not. He did it twice. And after twice, he said, okay, you don't like my content again and all that. I said, not like my content and all those things. I said, Baba, I'll be free. I won't pay over 100,000. Baba said, no, they take. I wasn't sure. That's why they post organic cream. Go off comment to us. That's why my content is bad and all that. But I love Tunde Not so much. I follow all his page. He's a king. And even the people he supports, a lot of people, he support people with plenty. And most of them are my friend. You understand? But I don't have any issue with him. I'm always on his page. I love Tunde well. Now, this is it. If along the line, God forbid, something happens to me, and Tunde now decides that, I'm not going to support this guy when he's there alive, or this thing pain, and this guy was actually making some impact, he now decides to post my picture or something as a respect because of what has happened to me and give consolation to my family. It is not fake love. There is a greatness that comes with death. Just as your birthday is a great day, so your death day is a great day as well. There is a particular greatness that comes with death. Don't mix it, don't mistake it. The guys in basketball that use Sound Sultan's picture on their jersey when they wanted to play in US. Now fake love be that. Were they using his picture after when he was alive? No. Okay, so you want me to celebrate you when you die alive, then when you die, may not celebrate you. When you die, I not celebrate you, means that you useless life now you live. You must understand that there is a greatness in death. You go blow. That's why it's when people die, they can build statues, they can name them after stadiums, after streets, after competitions, and everything for them. There's a huge greatness in death. Even Patoranki will sing the song, Answer. How many artists he does sign? Do you know how many artists have been on Patoranki's DM? Saying that bros are beg, sign me and all that. The line of that Patoranki where they have been wanting. How many artists Patoranki does sign? Since the day with how much money he has, all this lantern and the Nagamali get artists with all the blow already. He's busy. That's what I'm saying. So people are busy. People don't owe you anything. Somebody was saying how many people visit South Sudan when he was sick. Maybe they pick the carry flights, they go US, they go visit and went over. No. So people must have to understand that there is huge greatness in death. Don't disrespect it. There is, you can have times 10 of what you didn't get, you understand, when you were alive. It is normal. Because even Jesus Christ got his own greatness after he died on the cross. There is greatness in death. Respect that.